आमगेली तेजोमयी 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 तेजोमयी. नमस्कारू. GSB सभा मुंबईच्या वतीनं हांव प्रतिमा पै तुमकां आजी तेजोमयी पॉडकास्टांतू स्वागत करता. आज मिगेल वट्टू तिगेल जीवन कथा सांगतली आमगेल आईची तेजोमयी रेवती पंडित. Last 20 years दोकुनो in the field of public relations and corporate communications तिणे सुमार आमगेले भारतांतूल टॉप फिनान्शियल इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स आवट काम केलां सच एज एडलवाइज, कोटक महिंद्रा बँक आणि आत्ता ती PR अँड कॉर्पोरेट कम्युनिकेशन्स हेड ॲट जिओ ब्लॅकरॉक म्हणून काम करता आसा. वेलकम टू द पॉडकास्ट रेवती.
Thank you प्रतिमा म्हाका ह्या शोर इन्वाइट केलेल्याक and thank you everybody.
तुगेल काणी स्टार्ट्स इन मुंबई एक क्लोज नेट GSB फॅमिलीन तू आमकां 10-12 वर्सां रेवतीचे परिचय कोण दी.
तू सांगिल्ल्या बरी मेगेल जन्म एक मिडल क्लास फॅमिलीन तू बॉम्बेन तू जालेल्या मेगेल आनू अराउंड ही वॉज तो फर्स्ट एक लायक हिंदुस्तान पेट्रोलियमांत कामां आशिल्लो आनी मेगेल आम एक होम मेकर. आमगेल्या मेगेल दोन दोग जाण भयणी आसा जी आम द मिडल सिस्टर. बोथ मेगेल दोग जाण भयण्यो तांणी आतां डेंटिस्ट आनी तांणी UAE तू सेटल जावन आयल्यांची. आमगेल फॅमिलीन तू आमी मात न्ही आमगेल्या ऑल्दो न्युक्लियर फॅमिली आशिल्ल्या जाल्यार आमगेल एक एक्सटेंडेड फॅमिली आमगेल एकदम क्लोज नेट एक फॅमिली आनी आमी पुरे कजिन्स मेगेल अन्नाल भयण्यो मेगेल अम्माल सायडाल रिलेटिव्स सांतकुनू जी आमकां एक फॅमिली एक मिनींग एक फॅमिलीन कशी पुरे जनान ओट्टू जावन कसले असता लायफाचे अप्स डाउन्स मेगेल लायफाचे मस्त डिसिशन्स मेगेल भयण्या लायफान मेगेल पेरंट्सान मात न्ही तांतू मेगेल्या अन्नाल्या सायडाचे मेगेल अन्ना भयणाक गेल्या मेगेल्या अम्माल सायडान मेगेल पाचेल्यांनी मस्त ह्या डिसिशन मेकिंगा हेल्प केला. वालडीक जावो आमगेले एड्युकेशन जावो सपोर्ट आनी ताजे निमती आनी मेगेल आमगेल फॅमिलीन तू एड्युकेशनाचे मस्त इम्पॉर्टन्स सांतकुनू आमकां चेडवांक एड्युकेशनान तू इता म्हळ्यार मुखार सून लायफान तू कशें जावका त्या आनी तांगेल हार्ड वर्क आनी डेडिकेशन आतां आमकां when I'm Makka help us I have a maid, a cook who's helping me out. Tangel tantu tani kashi they used to work as well as tani घडकड येवन कशी त्या फॅमिली मॅनेज करता त्या पुरे आमी हांव पळोवन होड गेलेली. तो ताज निमती बीइंग व्हेरी एस्पिरेशनल बीइंग व्हेरी हार्ड वर्किंग डिसिप्लिन ह्या पुरे सान तुकुनू जी आमगेल हांतू इन्स्टिल आसून आय वॉज अ व्हेरी फन लविंग केअर फ्री आनी थंय तुकून तुगेल फाउंडेशन बिल्ड जाता. सो दॅट इज माय चायल्डहूड. आय वूड से दॅट इट वॉज इन अ व्हेरी प्रोटेक्टेड नर्चरिंग environment which is brought me to what I am today.
सुविचार आणि चांग संस्कार आशिल्ल्या घरान जन्म घेवचो न्ही जावन एक व्हड भाग्य नवे
वय आनी तांतूय देवार वय मस्त आमगेल्या मेगेल्या आनम्मा मेगेल्या पुरे फॅमिली मस्त देवा वयरी विश्वास आमगेल कुटुंब हान तू पुरे आमकां सांत तुकुनू आमी गोवा वचून लायक आमकां आमगेल कुलदेवता लायक वरचे पुरे इट वॉज लायक आमी पुरे रिलिजियस प्लेसात वरचे तशी आमकां वी हॅव सीन दॅट ग्रोन इन दॅट ड्युरींग आवर चायल्डहूड.
3 शब्दान तुगेले बालपण तुका डिस्क्रायब करता जाल्यार तू कसं म्हणटली 3 शब्द.
Definitely joyful, happy, joyful. Second is nurturing. Konena like amgel family into there were people who cared for you, guide tumka guide kela tumka always there to feed you.
Correct.
When you with the best delicacies, Konkani delicacies or anything, and very formative because Miguel childhood has been the formative years of and made me aaj how kasa asa. That is a lot depends on the childhood that you have, the experiences that you have.
एक प्रोत्साहन दिवचे म्हणटा घरकर सगळे
very
तू कशी दिसना आजकाल सगळ्यांक हांगा मेंटल हेल्था खातीर भायर वचूका जेवणा खातीर भायर दुखून हाडका फूड सगळे घरकड
घरकड आशिल्लें. बीन आमकां केन्नाय
बापा फोन केलो मम्मा वटुलेली मम्मीन पेटयलें तशें सगळे गंमत आशिल्ली न्हय
एब्सोल्यूट म्हाका केन्नाय म्हगेले रिलेटिव्स आसा आमकां फोन आनी कोण वचका द डोर्स वेर ऑलवेज ओपन टू आमगेले एक दुसऱ्याल घडकड वचूका जाल्यार डोर्स वेर ऑलवेज ओपन कसले गायडन्स जाय जाल्यार घरान तूं एल्डर्स आशिल्लींची गायड करूंक योर
तूं धांचे क्लासा आसतना यू हॅड कसं म्हणटाचें एक दृढ निश्चय केलो तुवें यू हॅड एन आहा मोमेंट सो तेदन तुगेल मनान तूं कसं जालें तूं सान आसतना तूं सांगलां तुजी आउट गोईंग आशिल्ली सो धांचे क्लासा कसं चेंज जालें
सो लायक हांव सांगील वरी आय वॉज अ वेरी हांव एकदम फन लविंग किड आशिल्ली आय मीन स्कुलांतूय म्हाका म्हाका ऑलवेज इंट्रस्ट आशिल्ली लर्निंगान तूं जाल्यार मार्क्स म्हगेले रिपोर्ट कार्डान तूं हांवें फर्स्ट येवका जो फर्स्ट 90% 80% काडका तशें कसलें म्हगेलें रिपोर्ट कार्ड 60-65% आसता आशिल्लें आनी हांव मस्त तूं हॅपी आसता आशिल्ली म्हाका आनीक हॅपिनेस आसता म्हळ्यार वचून म्हगेल आय वॉज ऑलवेज ऑन स्टेज इन स्कूल इलेक्युशन कॉम्पिटिशन मागीर या कसलें dramatics, sports. I was in the school hockey team, basketball team. Building antui amgel colony hard ashila 9 buildings. Mast friends ani kednai sanja makka you will never find me home. Miguel Bainyo will be studying and all. I will be outside till my mother makka amman gadkad apojtai हांव गडकड येना
देवा दिवलोची वेळ जाला गडकडे अनुता म्हणून
तरारी हांव येना आशिल्ली जाल्यारी या बट 10th स्टँडर्डान तूं एक म्हळ्यार तुमगे लायफांत एक पॉयंट येता की तुमकां एक गुरू एक गायड मेळटा तांगेल्या इन्फ्लुएन्सान तांगेल्या गायडन्सान निमती तुमगेले एक लायफ चेंज जावच्या म्हगेल गुड whatever I had done, makka good fortune ki makka Miguel 10th standard too important year then in amgel like during our this 10th standard 81% melta na mak mat ne Miguel school that first teachers ani believe jani but that time mak ek vishwas aylo ki mak जाय जाल्यारी हांव कसले हातूं मन घाल्यारी आनी नॉट जस्ट एक्स्ट्रा दिस इन एकाडेमिक्स ऑल्सो देर ऑन म्हगेले फोकस म्हगेले इंट्रस्ट मस्त वाडता गेले आनी देर आफ्टर हांव एकाडेमिक्सांतू आय डीड मच बेटर दॅन वॉट आय वॉज इन स्कूल सो द गुरू made the getting the right guru and she teen megel ver vishwas thevela kani mak tigel compatibility and the way she guided me ताजे निमती मेगेल एकाडेमिक्स सांतू फरक पडला आनी मेगेल ओन सेल्फ बिलीफ आनी मेगेल
कॉन्फिडन्स
येईल म्हाका की म्हाका या करू
yes I can do this
that was a very defining moment for me
तुगेले ग्रॅज्युएशन जाता तरी I think you shifted to Pune
yes
you did your masters in
mass communication
ಬಾಂಬೆ ದೊಕ್ಕುನ್ ಪುನಃ ಅವತ್ತನ್ನ एक मना उत्साह की एक बेजारू म्हळ्यार चेडवांक पळय हॉस्टेला वचून रावचें म्हळ्यार अयो देवा घरकडचें जेवण मेळना आपलीतल्याक सगळे कोरका की हयब्बा सुंटली हांव म्हणून तशी वॉट वॉज युअर रिएक्शन
सो म्हाका म्हगेल ओन मना आशिल्लें की म्हगेल दोग जणे भयण्यो तांणी विंगड तांणी एड्युकेशना खातीर तांगेल BDSा खातीर एकली अमरावती चमकलेली एकली लोणी चमकलेली मागीर ती शी केम बॅक ती बॉम्बेंत मेळलेलें जाल्यार म्हाका एक मन आशिल्लें हांवें वचून खंय भायर शिकूं का आय वॉन्टेड टू get out and explore the opportunities outside Bombay and not just that makka interest ashila in the field of PR म्हणून हांवें रिसर्च करून सिम्बायसिसाच्या खंयची एक पेपर आमची आय थिंक आय सॉ दी इंस्टिट्यूट ॲड इन द अर्ली 2000s PR वॉज नॉट तितले एक पॉप्युलर करियर चॉयस न्हय आशिल्लें सो इट वॉज लिटल डिफरंट मागीर हांव ते एंट्रन्स एग्जाम दिवन पुना म्हाका एडमिशन मेळ्ळें आनी एक तर पुना मस्त दूर ना नाव इट इज इवन क्लोजर विथ ऑल द एक्सप्रेसवे बट तेदे ना ते स्टेट बस सारी वी यूज्ड टू गो टू पुणे that was fun but definitely Pune Miguel it was like a crash course म्हणता पळय in so we were staying have a PG राबता आशिल्ली आनी पुरे your own cooking your own आतां पुरे Swiggy Zomato पुरे आशिल्ले तेदन तितले कांय फॅसिलिटीज ना आशिल्ले आनी आमगेले आमकां दिवचे आशिल्ले मनी ऑल्सो वॉज लायक लिमिटेड सो इट पुना तू मस्त पुरे apart from what I learned academically, like Miguel, coursache pure this life skills,
Correct.
life lessons, how to learn to manage within your budget, how to learn to live with different different people from all over the country, all over the
Yes.
world.
तूं आत्तां म्हणलें तुगेलें ल्हान म्हाका तेदना PR आनी कॉर्पोरेट कम्युनिकेशन्स कसले म्हण गोत नाशिल्लें म्हाका कांय तितलें गोत ना जस्ट अ लिटल बीट कॅन यू हायलायट वॉट आर द चॅलेंजीस इन्वॉल्वड विथ कॉर्पोरेट कम्युनिकेशन्स अँड पब्लीक रिलेशन्स
Yeah.
I mean, what kind of a job is it? How does it work?
Okay, public relations is earned media.
Okay.
Public relations सांगतू it is not तू कसं सांगता त्या इम्पॉर्टंट नाही दुसरी तुगेल कंपनी विषयी कसं उलयताची
म्हणटाची. Okay, what is the opinion of the
opinion
public?
of the this of the media.
Correct.
Of the this it is more of brand speak versus others speaking now at the influencers असताची media असताची analyst असताची तांणी पुरे तुगेल कंपनी सो पब्लिक रिलेशन्स और कम्युनिकेटर जॉब कसं तुगेल त्या परसेप्शन कश तू बिल्ड करता
Correct.
in the minds of the
Audience.
audiences.
Correct.
कशी तुगेल through the right communication तू तुगेल ब्रँडाच ट्रस्ट बिल्ड करता तुगेल
Correct.
ब्रँडाच राईट रेप्युटेशन सो कॉर्पोरेट पब्लिक रिलेशन्स और कम्युनिकेशन्स कॅन एक ब्रँड बिल्ड करू जाता एक ब्रँड इट कॅन
Break करू
ब्रेक
जाता.
करू जाता
Correct.
आणि ह्या पॉवर ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन आणि तू समथिंग दॅट इता म्हळ्यार बिहाइंड एवरी ब्रँड there are people there's the leadership that is involved in it.
So Revati, what inspired you? तुगेल ह्या PR आणि कॉर्पोरेट कम्युनिकेशन्स घेवच्याक प्रेरणा कसली आशिल्ली?
PR तू एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळ्ळे इन मेगेल रोल तू म्हाका मस्त मिडिया आणि वोट इंटरॅक्ट करू आसता एक्चुअली हेल्पिंग ब्रँड्स इन बिल्डिंग देम इन बिल्डिंग देअर परसेप्शन ह्या म्हाका मस्त interesting this ashil suretukuno and definitely that is something that inspired me to get into this profession.
Wait, तू आत्तां म्हणलें you have worked with some of the topmost minds, visionary leaders of our Indian corporate life such as Uday Kotak, Rasesh Shah and Shanti Ekambaram. Hangela dokuno tugel ek kasal from each of them. What is the one thing that you've learned?
Yeah. तो डेफिनेटली हांव मस्त फॉर्च्युनेट की म्हाका असल ब्रँड्स आवटू आनी असल विजनरी लिडर्स आवट काम करू ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळ्ळेल आसा द लॉंगेस्ट ड्युरेशन ऑफ माय करियर हांव इडलवायज आवटू स्पेंड केलेलं आसा अराउंड 12 to 13 years आनी मिस्टर रशेश शाला entire his vision of creating एक capital markets company tukun कशी ताणे एक full grown NBFC तागेल entrepreneurial capabilities तागेल vision is something I have always admired and be seen that happen from what his vision was to reality.
Correct.
So that is something definitely Uday Kotak he's a visionary and tagela clarity of thinking and thought and kashi complex situations are simple ways may he handles. I think that is something I will
Worth emulating.
worth emulating and working with Shanti Ekambaram, a woman leader, a banker of that stature and itigel what to काम केलेलं आहे कशी empathy and decisiveness together can grow how women can lead.
Correct.
That is something that I have actually been fortunate to work with her and learn from her and be seen her in action. I think that is something that these are the three.
तुवें सुमार अशी पब्लीक कॅम्पेन्स आनी केलींची तुगेल मनान ते कायम जाग कोन राबिल्ले खंयचे एक कॅम्पेन आसवे which you still remember and you're still happy about.
Yeah, so tashi there like I said Miguel largest innings was with Edelweiss. Edelweiss I would काम करतना over 13 years मस्त पुरे आम्ही businesses launch केल्यांची मस्त for that launch मस्त पुरे PR campaigns product launches तश पुरे केला जाल्यार खंयचेय कॉर्पोरेट कम्युनिकेशन लीडर आल्याक एनीबडी हूज इन कॉर्पोरेट कम्युनिकेशन द ट्रू टेस्ट कॉर्पोरेट कम्युनिकेशन तूं क्रायसिस सिच्युएशनाक कशी एक ब्रँडाक मॅनेज करता कशी तूं त्या रेप्युटेशन ऑफ द ब्रँड हाव यू मॅनेज इट एक क्रायसिस सिच्युएशना वेळारी दॅट इज द ट्रू टेस्ट ऑफ दीस आणि दॅट आय वुडंट कॉल एन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी बट it happened while have Edelweiss out asana 2018 tantu the NBFC
Yes, the
crisis,
yeah.
happened it happened and Edelweiss being an NBFC definitely was impacted during that phase which was the toughest phase for the brand in that tough environment कशी आम्ही त्या ब्रँडाच्या रेप्युटेशन कशी आम्ही त्या ब्रँडाच्या परसेप्शन मॅनेज केलेलं that is something that I think is one of the most memorable and the most impactful campaign for me during my entire PR career and also Edelweiss has mast pura interesting things kela like another very interesting campaign makka this is I mean it's about national pride because Edelweiss was the sponsor for the Indian Olympic contingent.
Oh yes.
And at that time kashi the role of corporates in bringing alternative sports on the world map, India on the world map in terms of sports beyond cricket.
Yes.
So that was what Edelweiss was, and I got an opportunity to handle the communication, the messaging around how important it is to support athletes and put them onto the to the front and center of the sports world map. So that is something I got an opportunity, and very interestingly we had done a lot of visibility around this, and that campaign was recognized by one of by a PR forum, and we won an award for that. So that was one of very interesting campaigns. So while at Edelweiss over 13 years, there were many such interesting things that I worked on CSR, on business communication, on brand building, but these are the two which I can really think are memorable and actually defined something, the work that I did there.
समाधानास्पद म्हणतात तशी.
Yes.
Now, as a daughter, तू एक धूव आणि एक अम्मा, right? So
Right.
your mother to your 20-year-old, she 20 already?
She will turn 21,
20,
yeah.
21 already. Krisha.
Krisha, yeah.
And she is also studying in Symbiosis. So
Yes.
life has come a full circle.
Yes.
I mean, she's gone back to your alma mater.
Yes.
So how has motherhood shaped your perspective on success?
Makka masta it has grounded me. It has also given me lessons in responsibility. It's like you're not living
Correct.
only for your self anymore. You are responsible to bring up, nurture, instill right values to get children onto what you have this, and they are looking up to you.
Yes.
Like today I feel whatever I do, Miguel Dhua, for her I am a role model.
Yes, you're
she will
setting
look
an
up to me,
example,
she will look up to me, and she will become the kind of like I will be shaping her personality also.
So Revati, tugele toy poodle Bella, tigel I mean she's the boss around the house. मला tigel बद्दल आमकां ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ सांग.
Absolutely. Miguel गडकड आहे तीची आत बॉस आणि तिगेल निमती आत म्हाका लायफान तूं मस्त पुरे न्यू हांव केन्ना एक डॉग म्हाका भंय आशिल्ली मस्त, नॉट दॅट आय एम नॉट फॉन्ड ऑफ एनिमल्स, म्हाका सान तुकून न्हू सुण्यान मस्त भंय आशिल्ली. हांव सान आसतना एक एपिसोड चलला लायक सून म्हाका चेस कोर न्हू म्हण तेदन तुकून एक भंय बशिल्ली आशिल्ली. ज्यारी कशी की ती मेगल लायफान तूं सडनली आयली आनी फॉर मी ओनली, आनी तीन येतर मेगल लायफ एक नमना कंप्लीट चेंज जाला. एवरी डे तूं when I have घडकड वतना there is one person who is waiting for you with unconditional love and that wagging tail. आणि मस्त एक डॉगाल निमती तुका डिसिप्लिन येता तुमगे लायफान तूं, आणि ऑल्सो कशी सिंपल द जॉय तांक मस्त कसलें नाका, सिंपल जॉयज, लिव इन द मोमेंट, एवरी मोमेंट एन्जॉय लायफ. त्या एक तुमकां एक definitely if you have a pet, it completely changes your person. It brings a lot of empathy.
Yeah. So good that you come home to a rock star welcome.
Absolutely, every single day.
Okay, now we'll move to the rapid fire question. Revati, few questions, yes, no, choice, multiple choice. Korea mein?
Yes, yes, definitely.
Parenting or pet parenting? What is more difficult?
Parenting.
Okay. What is your favorite holiday destination?
I think any of the beaches, it could be anywhere in India and anywhere out of India. I think beaches are something that bring me all the calm and all what I require for a holiday.
Okay. So that's my next question. In your free time, you enjoy? What do you enjoy?
I enjoy being with friends, family, socializing. I like sometimes doing nothing, just being at home, reading a book, watching some, series on Netflix.
Okay.
I think that's what I enjoy in my free time.
Your mantra in times of crisis?
I think, it's like every crisis I see an opportunity. So definitely my mantra is, take a breath, take a pause, get yourself, तू lack तू कसं, कोरका तांतू आणि कशी हांतू तू कुणू एक opportunity पळोवन तू मुखार वचुका. I think that is something what a crisis antu there's like recalibrate kash korche. That is something
Any phobia, Revati?
Oh yeah, definitely. I have one of the most silliest phobias. I have the fear of flying. So
Okay.
that is, I mean, I need to fly regularly for maka like office acha, kama katira if I'm travel koro asta. Maka I love to go on maka holidays are vacha bhari interest asa. One thing that dampens my any travel this is the fear of flying. And it is not that it has been there since my childhood. It happened on a very turbulent flight to Mangalore, and thereafter it increased. But I'm finding every flight I go with that fear. I sit, I fly. I've taken flights 14 hours, 15 hours flights also, but I'm
On edge.
on the edge always. But I go through it,
Okay.
and it has not stopped me. But that is definitely a phobia that I have. Otherwise, I'm not scared of anything in the world. Any kind of challenges other than the challenge of flying.
Okay. If you have to describe Revati in one word.
Go getter.
Wow, nice. Where do you see yourself in 2035? एक 10 वर्षांना what will Revati be doing?
हा होप करता की हा म्हाका तेदनाय opportunities learning आणि आय एम स्टील हांव तितल्याक क्युरियस लर्न करूंक ग्रो करूंक this and at the same time I want to ensure that I'm healthy and work towards building a healthy lifestyle and this, and also enjoy life, travel to all the beaches around the world, and hopefully have Bella skids by my side, and enjoying life with my family, with my friends, with my daughter. She may be married by then, and be there for anyone and everyone who needs the the love and the support.
Any message for amgel future generation youth like messages?
Definitely, I think for the youth of GSB, I would like to give one message is like, have a dream, follow your passions, and always believe in the power of hard work, discipline, and always believe in your in your root, in your roots, your family, your your close friends. Everybody are very important in this. I think at the end of the day, there for your family, be there for your community. I think that is the message that I would like to leave, and just follow your dreams and passion. I think that is something I would like to leave the youth of GSB with the message.
Thank you so much, Revati. तू आज तुगेल वेळ काण हांग येवन आमगेल वटुले लेल्याक. It was indeed a pleasure. गम्मत आयल तुगेल वटुलो न्हू.
Thank you, Pratima.
आणि तुगेल ही काणी आयकून सुमार जाणांक प्रोत्साहन मेळटलें हें म्हाका खंडीत गोत आसा.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Revati, from On behalf of GSB Sabha Mumbai, a small token of our love and affection.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I hope you enjoy.
Yes, thank you.
तू केली काणी तू केली वाणी तुझी अंगेली तेजोमयी
World and it's a upcoming branch. Not everybody does. The Guinness Book of World Record is Art of Living Arts. I got an opportunity to play in that. So taka tani APJ Abdul Kalam kapailar.
तू केली